Next, we'll talk about literals. Now, a literal is sort of the exact opposite of a variable. Okay, a literal has a value that is fixed. Okay, and unlike variables, right, which has a variable has names, right? Literal does not have a name; it just has a value. An example of literal is, let's say, 5. 5 is a literal, right? It does not have a name. All it has is a value, right? Uh, let's say 3.14 is a literal, right? It does not have a name. It has a value, but that does not change, right? And it does not have a name. So literal does not have a name, does not have a name. Okay? And a literal has a value, and the value is fixed. That does not change. The value of 5 does not change, right? The value of 3.14 does not change. You could say pi equals 3.4. Now pi is a variable. The value of pi can change. Let's say you want to make the calculations simpler. You can just say pi equals 3.5. I'm sorry, 3.14. So you can just say pi equals 3.0, right? So the variable pi might change, but 3.14 does not change. You cannot say things like 3.14 equals 3. That doesn't make any sense, does it? Right? That doesn't make any sense. So literal is nothing but essentially constant value, and a literal does not have a name. So examples of literals are numbers like 3.14, 5. Uh, then you can have characters as well. So you can say hello. That's a literal. That its value does not change, right? Uh, there are other types of literals as well, such that true, false. Okay, the value of true does not change. True is always true. Like false is always false. Okay, so these are literals.